Did you buy another car?
Yes.
Another one?
Yes.
So I see you bought another Civic.
Yes, but I sold the black one.
It's a different color.
Yes, it's silver.
It's pretty serious.
It's very serious.
Almost as serious as me asking all of you to like and subscribe to Cars in Motion. And now, we're gonna ask Serge why he bought another Civic of almost the same year, as far as I can tell.
It's a 2000.
It's a Honda 2000.
It's a Honda 2000.
Is it? Oh, okay. So what was the black one was just too much work, or I know that it was kind of rough, but
No, it was kind of rough. Everything was good, but somebody I knew really needed a car and it fit what they were looking for. So I, being a great guy and all, and modest, went and sold it to him, and then I found this one and I really like this one. It was the year I wanted. It's a 5-speed.
Ooh.
And yeah, and then my dog liked it.
Who's that?
That's Oliver, you know.
No, I know Oliver, but the audience hasn't seen Oliver before.
And this is Oliver, my dog.
Right. So what are we doing today on this car? Because I can see that there's the black one we showed you guys before. The black one had some rod around the fenders. This one looks very clean. I'll show you in a minute, but we're gonna ask what's going on.
Yeah, you'll have to do a walk around and we'll go through it. But I'm hoping for today is I want to upgrade the stereo. This one has a tape deck in it.
It's vintage.
Very vintage, and I don't have any tapes. So I want to just quickly update the stereo, and yeah, because I need my tunes.
Okay, that's fair. So
let's get started.
Yeah,
Actually, let's do a quick walk around and show everybody what I ended up buying, and we'll go from there.
Okay, sounds good to me. Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, not too shabby.
Ooh, race car, right there. That's the money right there.
Racer.
The interior is pretty much as clean as the outside of the car.
Yeah, some elderly gentleman had it, so just didn't need it anymore. So
this is back here is where the magic happens.
What's that?
It's where the sub's gonna go.
Oh yeah.
We're doing a sub too, aren't we?
That we are.
Good. What do you think, Oliver? He didn't care. He found something on the floor.
Good boy.
But yeah, it's pretty tight on the wall here. But let's get a shot of that tape deck that Serge was talking about. It's pretty amazing. Wow. That is quite something. Not gonna linger on that too often. What's Serge doing over here?
I'm just going to do some wiring for the wiring harness.
So this is the deck. You put a deck in the black one, didn't you?
Yeah, so I did put a deck in the black one, but I had this one kicking around, so I'm going to put this one in the silver one because I used my other deck for the black one. So that's why I got to do a little
Just
wiring
straight
harness.
Bluetooth,
Nothing
no
fancy.
CD compact disc.
No.
None of that.
No, just all digital stuff.
All right, so it looks like Serge has got himself a harness.
Yeah, you just go down and just pick up a harness that fits this year, make, model of car and match the colors pretty much. You can use one of these.
Yeah,
They'll tell you what every wire does, but usually chances are just match them up with the colors and it'll work.
all right. Let's put it in there. just got finished pulling the actual head unit out of the car. Serge is just playing around underneath there a little bit with the wiring. Serge, as you remember, the last car, the black one, we put the AC in that car from the green Civic. I do realize that we've had quite a few Civics already, Serge. They've all been yours. This is the first one that's not junk. Hey, I'm saying it's a compliment, it's nice. Anyway, Serge's already got to work a while back when he bought the car, and he did put the AC back in the car, which is great. So we're taking care of one more thing with that. He did not finish it off because it's not super warm here yet. He's gonna be putting the AC controls in. So I'm gonna disassemble this thing and take the old deck out and take the old heater controls out so Serge can put in, so we can do the AC controls too. So this is ready to go in, the new deck and the new AC. So I put those two little lights in there because the old one did not have a light for the AC to trigger it. So that's in there. See what Serge is doing. Serge has got some of the interior of the car out, the seat, center console. Yeah. And it looks like you're what? Doing the hiding all the wires and everything. He's hiding because we're doing a sub too.
So I'm running the signal wire, the RCA, SPACs for the dash down here. This kind of slowed me down. I found that there was a Clifford alarm system in this car, but I never got any of the key fobs for it. So
that looks like a fire hazard.
Yeah. So anyway, I just kind of bypassed this whole thing, uninstalled it all, and yeah.
Found that while I was
doing your thing,
playing around with the head unit.
So what I've got, some things that I got going on here are I've got, the deck comes with some sort of hands-free phone.
Oh yeah.
There's the mic. So I've got that wired up. I just got to somehow run it up, maybe somewhere around here.
Car,
here.
and then your
RCA's and the signal wires here. I'm running that along this panel and out in the back.
Yeah. Let's see that.
Back seat.
See that? Yeah, he's got it. So yeah, you can see he's got it running down by the e-brake. Not the e-brake, sorry, the hood release. Used to driving a truck. Anyway. All the way back. He's got it run under the seat. He has the seat out just so you don't see any of this wiring. I mean, you don't have to do this, but it's a good idea to pull it all out. And you want it to look pretty.
Well, that, you just don't want to trip on it or anything like that, or get something
yeah.
snagged and then you're ripping and stuff. It just takes a little bit longer, but it's done. Once it's done, it's done. Yeah.
And have him over here. Come out so he can put his sub in.
Yeah.
And then we'll have the sub out and we'll have tunes.
Getting there.
All right. So we got everything in the car, got the sub in, got the deck in. Sounds good. We tested everything. We got the interior back together. Show us throwing it back together. What should we listen to?
I think I got something. See if this Bluetooth all hooks up.
The fancy Bluetooth phone.
Yeah, I like this.
That sounds familiar.
It should.
Show the people. Who are those guys?
Cool cars.
Yeah? Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Oh. I knew it. If I were you, I would go and subscribe.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. So that. But until next time,
Cars in motion,
we will return.
as always.